Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use frame generation. Frame generation is a powerful technology that can dramatically improve the smoothness of your games. It works by intelligently inserting new frames between existing ones, making motion appear more fluid and responsive. This can be particularly beneficial in fast-paced action titles, providing a more immersive and enjoyable experience. We will walk through the setup process step by step. Before diving in, let's ensure your system is ready. Frame generation is primarily supported on NVIDIA RTX 20 series and newer graphics cards. It is crucial to have the most recent graphics drivers installed, as these updates often include performance enhancements and bug fixes for new features. Additionally, a monitor with a refresh rate of 120 Hz or higher will allow you to truly see the difference. Now, let's enable frame generation within your favorite games. First, launch a title that supports this advanced technology. Once in the game, access the graphics or display settings from the main menu. Look for an option labeled Frame Generation or DLSS Frame Generation. Enabling this setting will activate the feature, and you should immediately notice a smoother visual experience. Remember to apply your changes. To get the most out of frame generation, some optimization might be needed. After enabling the feature, try adjusting the quality presets within the game's settings. You might find a quality, balanced, or performance option. Monitor your frame rates using an in-game overlay to ensure stability. Sometimes, slightly lowering other demanding graphics settings can further enhance the overall smoothness and responsiveness of your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.